Leading a high-performing team requires more than just technical skills. It takes intentional leadership. First, emotional intelligence. It's the foundation of performance, accounting for nearly 60% of job success. Second, cultivate psychological safety. Make it safe for your team to take risks and admit mistakes. Third, clear communication. Transparent dialogue boosts productivity and cuts through corporate ambiguity. Fourth, strategic thinking. Look around corners to translate complex chaos into clear opportunities. Fifth, strengths-based delegation. Empower your team by matching tasks to their unique individual talents. Sixth, conflict competence. Don't avoid hard conversations. Use diverse perspectives to drive innovation. Finally, decision-making. Balance data with intuition to keep momentum high and avoid analysis paralysis. Master these 7 skills to transform your team. Start leading high performance today.